Welcome back to AutoMotor Reviews. Today we're stepping into the future of luxury travel. What you're about to see isn't just a motorhome. It's Cadillac's boldest leap into ultra-premium mobility, the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome. Imagine a rolling penthouse crafted with the precision of a flagship sedan and the ambition of a super yacht. Let's take a tour of the most futuristic luxury motorhome Cadillac has ever built. From the very first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome feels like it was designed for a sci-fi film set in 2050. The proportions are striking: towering height, elongated body, sweeping roofline, and sculpted bodywork that looks like a blend of a luxury coach, a private jet, and a high-end smart home on wheels. The front fascia is the centerpiece of Cadillac's new design language. Instead of a traditional grille, you get a massive black crystal glass aerodynamic surface that doubles as a digital lighting canvas. Underneath it is a matrix of ultra-thin LED signature lights that animate as you approach the vehicle. Cadillac's vertical light blade identity has been stretched and dramatized, giving the front end a look that's simultaneously elegant and intimidating. Move along the sides and you notice fluid body lines that almost appear to shift as light reflects across the metallic paint. Cadillac offers this motorhome in several premium color options, including deep aurora teal, midnight platinum, lunar white, and obsidian black metallic. Each one comes with pearlescent treatment, designed to shimmer under showroom lighting and urban skylines. The windows are oversized and heavily tinted, seamlessly blending into the body for a monolithic, futuristic appearance. These panoramic glass sections give the entire vehicle a floating architecture look, almost like a luxury train or executive suite designed by a high-end architect. The wheel setup is equally dramatic. Massive, turbine-inspired 26-inch alloy wheels with aerodynamic covers wrapped around reinforced all-terrain touring tires. Each wheel features Cadillac's illuminated crest in the center hub, adding to the premium visual drama at night. Along the body, embedded LED strips create a full-length light signature that comes alive with dynamic animations when locking, unlocking, or switching driving modes. The rear continues the bold theme with a sweeping wraparound LED bar and a sculpted tailgate with built-in cargo access and optional drone loading bay for aerial delivery systems. Even the aerodynamics are impressive for a vehicle of this size. Active air channels, adaptive ride height, and hidden airflow vents help reduce drag and improve efficiency, essential for a motorhome this technologically advanced. The overall look isn't just luxurious, it's futuristic, artistic, and unmistakably Cadillac. Step inside, and the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome instantly feels like a boutique penthouse suite designed by Cadillac's flagship design team. The layout is intentionally minimal yet luxurious, combining high-quality materials like soft-grain leather, brushed aluminum, recycled woven composites, and warm ambient lighting. The lounge area is compact but premium, featuring plush seating, a retractable digital display, and a panoramic window line that brings the outside world into the living space. Soft gold LED strips run along the ceiling and floor, giving the cabin a warm, cinematic glow. The small kitchen is beautifully crafted with marble-style counters, hidden appliances, modular storage cabinets, and an induction cooktop integrated seamlessly into the surface. Cadillac optimized this space for quick meals, easy cleanup, and stylish presentation. The small bedroom continues the luxury theme, offering a cozy sleeping space with a premium mattress, leather-wrapped headboard, soft ambient lighting, and hidden compartments for personal items. It feels intimate, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious given the motorhome's layout. Even the washroom echoes Cadillac's philosophy with a minimalist approach. Compact glass shower, illuminated mirror, gold-trimmed fixtures, and high-gloss surfaces. Tech plays a major role throughout. You get multiple touchscreens, a holographic control hub, smart climate zones, voice-activated lighting, and a fully digital driving cockpit. Storage is cleverly integrated into the walls and underfloor compartments, making the interior both futuristic and practical. Powering the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome is a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. Cadillac offers two motor setups, a dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration and a tri-motor performance variant for those who want maximum capability. Both versions are engineered for smooth, quiet, long-distance travel. The battery pack is massive, roughly equivalent to 3 Ultium EV packs combined, providing an estimated range of 500 to 600 miles, depending on driving conditions, load, and terrain. Fast charging capability allows the system to replenish the battery from 10 to 70% in under 40 minutes, using Cadillac's high-output charging network or compatible stations. Acceleration is surprisingly quick for a motorhome, with the tri-motor model achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. The air suspension ensures that the ride stays smooth, controlled, and cloud-like, even on rougher highways. Safety and assistance technology is among the most advanced Cadillac has ever installed. The motorhome features a next-generation version of Ultra Cruise with near-autonomous highway driving, active lane guidance, adaptive cruise control, blind zone steering assist, 360-degree monitoring, emergency braking, and night vision pedestrian detection. Connectivity is equally impressive. A 5G-ready communications hub, multiple Wi-Fi zones, cloud-synced navigation, and over-the-air updates keep the vehicle future-proof. The infotainment setup includes dual OLED displays, holographic projection for key notifications, and a 32-speaker premium audio system designed to provide a studio-grade listening experience. Other highlights include smart energy management for appliances, solar roof integration, modular seating, customizable ambient lighting themes, biometric cabin access, and emergency backup power that can supply electricity to an external home or campsite. The 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome is aimed primarily at North America, the Middle East, and selected parts of Europe, where luxury RV culture and long-distance touring are popular. Cadillac is expected to open early reservations toward the end of 2025, with full production beginning mid-2026. Quantities will be limited because of the vehicle's complexity and bespoke interior options. Pricing varies significantly based on configuration. The base dual-motor model is expected to start around $380,000 to $420,000. The more powerful tri-motor luxury specification, with added technology and premium interior options, is estimated to reach between $500,000 and $575,000. Additional customization packages, concierge services, and extended travel support programs may push fully loaded builds beyond the $650,000 mark. So, is the 2026 Cadillac Futuristic Motorhome worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate fusion of luxury travel, futuristic design, advanced technology, and electric efficiency, there's nothing remotely like it on the road today. It's bold, it's extravagant, and it redefines what a modern motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, share this video with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to AutoMotor Reviews for more detailed insights into the world's most exciting automobiles.